Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little, well, it's a test pour again today. So I want to thank you guys for joining me for one thing, and thank you for subscribing to my channel, and if you haven't done so, please do so. It's absolutely free, costs you nothing, and it does help me. I'm testing out, again, I'm using my lovely Mont pouring paints. These are pre-made paints that you don't have to add anything at all. You can put them into separate cups and add a bit of silicone in each cup. For cells, you could add a little bit of my pouring medium to just change it up or down. So there's lots of things you can do with them, but I am particularly using these just as is today. And I don't know if it's right or wrong, but I'm going to try this pouring over this thing shape to see how, or if they just pour and you know, if they create anything nice just pouring over that cup. So I need to grab some white and go from there. I might just put some white on my canvas to start with. Now this was the Mont Studio Acrylics, and this was actually, I'd pre-done this for another pour, and this was mixed with Floetrol, so I have no idea. Well, I'm going to, actually I'm not going to do it with that, because I'm going to try and do the flower press thing that the lovely, oh that's too thick, maybe Fiona does, and I haven't tried to do any particular pouring medium or anything, so this is just in the pouring paint. So it was just a test, which is probably not a good thing. I should have maybe tried to follow Fiona's pouring medium and done it that way, but I just wanted to see if I could get anything similar just with the pouring paints, because it's easy then for people that just want to do some kind of art for their home, or gifts, or art for therapy is the best kind of art overall. I just wanted to see if, you know, you guys and I could achieve any results, nice results with this pouring paint. So I'm just going to try it. What can you do but try? So I will just start off with the white. So I think this is just the cup. No, sorry, it is a soft drink bottle, and it's just got the bottom cut off to give you that kind of shape. So in for a penny, in for a pound. Let's see how we go. So this one is the light purple, and I'm just gonna let it go its own merry way, I suppose. See how we come. I'm not sure if I'll even dip it, or I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'll just go by go by your ears. Okay, so the thing is with this paint, just give it a real good shake as well before you use it, because it is highly pigmented and it needs a real good shake. So that one was the hot pink, and this one is Shiraz. So I'm just sticking with these colours and see what we get. I don't know how much paint I'm supposed to put on these, but just go with it, hey? Just go with the flow. Pour your heart out. Let's go back over to the beginning. I'm not sure how much I need. I'll just go back the same way, and Like I said, I might not even dip them. I might be too chicken if it comes out. I hope you guys are all going well. Hope you're coping with everything, kind of unrest that's in the whole world right now. Hope you're coping with everything well. Just take up something that you that takes your mind off things. I mean, it's art that does it for me. It might be, you know, mowing the lawn or going for a walk or do whatever gives you joy. Stick with this, see how we go. Maybe I should try to spin this. I'm just gonna add this a little bit of the paint that's got Floetrol in it. Don't know why, but just give it a go. It might split it actually, but hope not. Looks pretty there anyway. Okay, so what am I supposed to do now? Just take the lid off, I suppose. Like, move that over. I'm just trying to think, do I do anything with this or put some more white in the center? Around the outside. Oh my gosh, I need some help here. So I'm just using this bamboo skewer. Go into the center first. Okay, and then I'm going to go from the center out. I have no idea what I'm doing today because I haven't done this before, so you guys are coming with me on my little art experiment. Like I said, I don't know if anyone's done it with the pre-made pouring paints. I just thought I'd give it a try. Take it out a bit more out. I mean, it looks pretty like that, doesn't it? So I'm thinking, thinking that maybe I should spin it. What about spinning it would be a... Maybe I should get my spinner. Tell me. Okay, I will get the cloth, the little kitchen roll, and I'll try the way Fiona does it, but I know I should have more confidence, but I haven't in this particular one today, I must admit. I think Fiona slightly wets her kitchen roll, so I'll just spray some water on it. I won't dip it in water or do anything as such, so I will just do what I see Fiona do, and I know it's not going to be nowhere near. I don't know, do I? It might be a master or a disaster. I'm just going to cut off this excess. I should have done this before. That's the puppy. No, the puppy's pulling it. Oh my goodness, no, you naughty little fella. Oh gosh, you just want to be on camera, don't you? No, I'm pretty sure she kind of dabs it, but I'm not sure if that's going to work for me. No. Maybe I can press another canvas on it quickly. Maybe I could do that. With that, I haven't got a canvas available. Opened up. Oh, come on. Wowzers. Oh. I'm just trying to see what I may have. Okay, this might do. I'm just going to press this on it. So it's kind of doing the dippy thing, isn't it? wasn't big enough, but never mind. Oh, I'm a disaster, I'll tell ya. I'll try these things without really taking notes or watching what other people... I do watch, but I often don't have the voice up because I like to work things out myself or put my own twist on them. So I watch what other artists do, but don't often have the voice up. I just like to work it out myself, but that's my crazy thing. Oh, look at that. That went a bit weird, but that'd be nice as a card because that's actually on card paper. I'm not going to get this nice thing happening over here now, so I'll put that down somewhere. But that turned out quite nice. There you go. That was a surprise. Just want to... I don't think that's a good thing for me to do. I know I've seen Fiona do this lifting up thing that looks so... She gets it so perfect. And I'm just not delicate enough. Oh, puddles. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? Oh. Okay. Okay. I can live with that. I can work with that, should I say. Give it the dryer. Get down, you naughty boy. Down. No biting, no. Oh, just go for it, hey, I'm going to blow it. Oh. Sorry, Fiona, I stuffed it up. And you all absolutely know what I'm going to do next, don't you? Because I've stuffed it up, so I'm going to, for a start, just spread a bit of paint around, white around these edges. I don't know how she gets those lovely shapes that she does, but I'm going to have to obviously watch and find out the pouring medium, but I believe she uses some product that we haven't got in Australia, so I'm not sure what it is, but I'm sure, you know, there's other products there. I'm not making excuses that I'm not very good at this, but you just have to, the same with you guys. That's why I like showing you my struggles, because then it shows, you know, that you just have to work your own way to find out what's best for you. So I could blow that further out, I suppose, and then I'm going to use my balloon in the centre, I think. Now, it's probably not enough paint, it's not really going anywhere. Balloon. I'm going to just use my little, I'm going to give it the kiss of life, the Aussie kiss of life. Okay, let's try this. Let's see what further mess I can get into. This is just the little balloon that's got water in it. Well, stuff that one up, eh? Maybe I should do a roll off it. So this is my, what you call it, flower press with my twist because I love my balloons, as you know. So I love balloon art. A bit of a roll and a roll up there. Oops, oh, blew my neck. I've kind of really made it look like a crazy starfish crab thing. Oh, I just don't know when to leave it alone. Silly duffer. I might see if I can blow some of this paint. Oh, God, I'm a twit. I'm sorry guys, I can't think of a joke today either, but anyway, I will. Oh my God. Oh, jeez Louise. Oh gosh. Hello Lola. Oh, my dog's come down to... I'm just gonna go and do these crazy things over it now. So there you go. Because I don't like what I've done. No, and I've got a puppy biting the electricity wire. I don't want to have a frazzled dog on air. Oh, what am I doing? I'm just completely gone AWOL now. Oh, look at that. What have I done? Help me. Come on you guys, be in here and have a laugh with me. So that's completely a big joke, Jill. Oh, I've stuffed it up. Stuffed it. Made it really crazy. I'm not even gonna call that a balloon press because that is, I mean, a flower dip thing. It's just like a big crazy... Alright, better luck next time. I will give it a go. It's all good fun. I enjoyed doing it, and I enjoyed you guys joining me, so thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I will try to do better next time. But thank you so much. I will give you some close-ups. It doesn't look so bad, I suppose. Kind of looks like a crazy starfish thing. But okay guys, thanks for joining me. Until next time, bye for now.